So I was reflecting the other day on relationship and thinking about why it is that Alexi and I have such a thriving relationship. And there's a lot of things I could come up with, but the number one thing is that both of us keep and continuously choose to step back in the room when we emotionally and physically step out. Now, for a lot of you guys, you know exactly what I'm talking about. You can be in the room and not in the room. You can be in the relationship and not even close to being in, because emotionally you've already stepped out. You've already made a decision. You've already checked out. You already feel broken. You already feel whatever you feel. Fill in the blank. What makes a relationship powerful and makes it thrive is you stepping back in and opening your heart again. Is you choosing to love bigger, to see them past what you think is wrong, to let go and drop and re-look at what you think is right. Relationships are the hardest thing on the planet, and yet the most fulfilling and the most rewarding and the biggest mirror, and one of the reasons why, to me, my career and my everything else works, because of who the reflection I get in relationship. So the question is, are you willing to step back in the room? Are you willing to reopen your heart and share what's true for you without blaming? Are you willing to recognize that you don't have all the right answers? All of that is a part of a thriving relationship. Blessings and blessings. Leave a comment below. Hit subscribe if this is YouTube. And click that red like button and the like button no matter what. Because Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook won't show this to anybody if you guys don't hit those buttons. So, love you guys so much. Blessings and blessings. Leave a comment below.